Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to add effects to your story on Instagram on Android. If you're looking to spice up your stories and make them more engaging, then adding effects is a great way to do it, and it's super easy to do too. So, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app and tap on the Add Story icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to a screen where you can select the picture or video you want to add to your story. Select the one you want and proceed to edit it. Once you're done editing your story, tap on the 3 shiny stars located at the top of your screen. This will open up a menu of effects that you can add to your story. The effects menu is usually the first option from the right. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll see a variety of effects that you can add to your story. You can swipe left and right to browse through them all. When you find the effect you want to use, simply tap on it to apply it to your story. You'll immediately see the effect in action. You can keep adding more effects to your story if you'd like. Just tap on the 3 shiny stars again and select another effect. You can add as many effects as you like. Once you're happy with your story, tap on the Your Story button to post it. And that's it. You've successfully added effects to your story on Instagram on Android. Creating engaging stories with effects is a great way to connect with your followers and make your profile stand out. So, go ahead and try adding effects to your next story today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.